In this video, I am going to teach you how to delete a league in Yahoo Fantasy Football. If you're the commissioner and no longer need the league, this quick guide will help you remove it permanently. It's simple and straightforward. Just make sure you follow each step carefully. Let's get started. First, click Sign In at the top right corner of the Yahoo homepage. Make sure you're logging into the correct account associated with your fantasy league. Then enter your login details and click Next. This will take you directly into your Yahoo dashboard. Next, go to the My Team section where all your fantasy teams are listed. Find the specific league you want to leave or delete. Then in the Options menu, choose Edit Team Info. This is where you'll find management settings for your league. After that, click Delete League at the bottom right corner of the page. This option will only appear if you're the commissioner. Finally, click Delete League again to confirm your action. Once you do this, the league will be permanently removed and can't be restored. And that's how to delete a league in Yahoo Fantasy Football. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!